Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money receiving text messages to your phone, okay? Now, this is going to be a very strange way that you think that you can make money from, but it's actually a real thing. But is it going to be the best way? Let's find out. So before we get started, I just want to point out something real quick here. Obviously, if you're just going to receive messages from your text, then obviously you're not going to be making tons of money because that's all you're doing, because they're just testing their telephone system or whatever they are doing, and they're just sending you little messages, and you don't have to do anything with it or anything like that. So it's like passive income for you. But with anything like that, when you're not doing any work or having to do anything, you're not gonna make too much money, obviously, right? So as you're watching this video, don't expect too much. And if you want to earn a lot more, like a real full-time online income, check out that second link in my video description, okay? So it's something that I do, and I make a full-time online income using this business model, but you need to learn some online skills, guys, okay? Because without skills, it's hard to earn, okay? Just like this method I'm going to show you, it's going to be hard to earn without skills. So let's check this out. Here it is. So this is the method I'm going to show you. This is called Money SMS. And yes, you will get money, earn money when you receive these messages. Money SMS is a free Android app. So sorry, Apple phones and Apple users. I do have a solution for you, so hold tight, which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. The main features of Money SMS: it's free, so it works on Android, earns money online, secure, free. There's a referral program, but this is automatic money, so you are making some passive earnings without making any active work or anything like that. So you just need to basically sign up, and you don't even really have to set up anything. But guess what you're earning here? Okay, so you download and install. So step 1 is download and install, and then step 2, you receive automatic test SMS. So they'll start sending you guys SMS to the phone number that you have registered, and then you'll get paid. You will automatically get paid 0.02 euros when you receive test messages. You can withdraw your money when your balance hits 2 euro. 2 whole euro. You cannot basically cash out until you have received 100 SMS. I don't know how often you'll get it. They don't tell you how often you'll get it. So, but I want to check out this FAQ for you because there are a little bit of information here. So general instructions. So you will be getting like messages like this. It's a little weird, but there's nothing you need to do because they're just sending you to test the message going through to see if you received it. So you are going to get paid that much, 0.02 euros for it. Should I do something with them? Probably not, okay? You will receive these messages, begin and random letters in the content. Sometimes the random letters in the beginning of each message of the content can include anything, including links. Please ignore completely all our test SMS and do not reply to any of them. We send SMS only in order to check if they have been delivered to your phone, and if so, in what form. Our test messages get forwarded to our servers after you receive them automatically. So why this even exists is because the reason is that a lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS test messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure proper delivery of their SMS routes. You actually get paid because we use your phone number to provide such testing services. How can you increase the amount of tests? You can keep the app running constantly and have stable internet connection. At times, Android OS automatically closes some apps, so you need to ensure that our app is opened again in such cases. Your main goal is to keep the app always running. Our system will see that your phone is available for tests, and you will have a greater chance of receiving test messages. So this is pretty simple. I didn't find my country during registration. What should I do? If you didn't find your country during registration, it means that money SMS isn't available in your country at this time. So they pay by a bunch of different methods here. So it's basically all internet money. So you got PayPal, you got web money, you got Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Now, if you just want to earn a tiny bit of money, that's cool with me. But if you are really looking to earn a lot more online, it is very, very beneficial to actually learn a business model that is internet friendly. What that means is that if you are building an internet friendly business, then what that means is that you can earn any time of the day. If you build yourself an internet business and put into place systems that works for you 24/7 on the internet, that is how you can earn passively online, guys, okay? And not only that, the internet allows you to earn over and over again for the work that you put into your online business, okay? So you don't just do some work and then you just get paid once. No, you get to get paid a lot. You can earn from that work that you do over and over again. And that's why an internet business is so good that way. So if you want to learn how to do that, it is very, very crucial that you learn the right online skills for it. And the program that's in the second link in the video description is the program that I've taken myself. It's training that I've gone through myself, and it's worked for me. Is a business model that is awesome for beginners, especially for beginners. Building an internet business, you don't have to have your own products. You don't have to come up with your own thing. Okay, there's a business model where you could just use anything that's already selling great online. So you have that advantage. You don't have to start from zero. You could grab whatever's selling like hotcakes right now and use that and earn with your internet business. So to learn how to do that, check out the video description for the second link, guys, okay? So check that out, and I hope you will like that. And so if you enjoyed this video, guys, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye!